of applause om uit pakpakken taifanak. that, boys. Okay, do we have anyone who would like to come and give it a go? Our shoulders are back. For our males, we make a nice wide stance with our knees slightly bent. So if I come over and give you a little push, you're not going to fall over because you've got a nice strong stance. Our shoulders are back. Our pukus are in. Bums and tongues, suck them in, cuzzy. Okay, and our linga is our hands. So when we say ringa pakia, we're going to see our warriors will slap their thighs. Ladies, don't slap too hard. Men, slap yourself silly. Alright. Ringa pakia. Slap our hands. Our waiwai is our feet. So when we say waiwai takia, that means we stamp our feet. Waiwai takahia. Lovely. Kapai. Okay, whoop it. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Zombies got talent. Okay. We're going to try a pukana. Pukana is when we open our eyes real wide because the ihis in the outside of us is coming out through our eyes. Girls, keep your tongues in your mouths. Boys, we're going to go te rua turiwha pukana and you're going to open your eyes and poke your tongue out. And girls, you're going to open your eyes nice and wide and hold it so that all of Facebook can see you. Okay. Here we go, here's a pukana. Te rua turiwha pukana! Woohoo! Give them a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Big red, eh? Fella's going to come practice next week, 4 o'clock. Okay, we're going to do kamate. Just do your best. We're going to keep it slow, kids. Don't rush the volunteers. Here we go. Kiraro means put our hands down. Hope means put our hands on our hips. So let's go. Kiraro and hope. Kiraro. Choice. Kia wiri means we shake our hands. Kia wiri. That means we're alive. Just checking there. Okay. No ECG required. Ringa pakia. Nice, keep the pace. We know the ones who are a bit premature because they go too fast and they take off in front of everyone else. Wai takahia. Choice. We're going to do it just one time through, okay? Aha kamate kamate. Aha kamate kamate. Better do it again, eh? Better pick it up. Finish it. What was that? Give us a clap and we'll see what they got out of 10. Oh, hell. That was about a 5. Shall we try and go for a 9, Father, eh? Come on then, let's rev it up. Kiraro. Kia wiri. Hoppe. Shoulders back. Facing the front. Tapai. Thank you very much. Tamariki mā, ko mai te paki paki kia rātou. Give them a clap. Awesome. Hit us up on Facebook if you want to know what's good. Kia ora tātou.
Oh, Mika Makia! Oh, Makia, Makia!